Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, I'm teacher Mina. What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Okay, what is your surname?
His surname is Nguyen.
Okay, and how old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Okay, now you're going to take the Flyers speaking exam. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so let's start. We have here two pictures, Sarah. This is yours and this is mine. Now, my picture looks exactly the same as yours, but there are some things that are different. For example, in my picture, there are two fish, but in your picture, there are three. Now, I'm going to say something about my picture, and you tell me how your picture is different.
Yeah.
Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay, let's start. In my picture, the dinosaur's tail is long. In my picture, the dinosaur's tail is long.
But picture is tail is short.
Okay, in my picture, I can see a torch in the boy's backpack. I can see a torch in the boy's backpack. In my picture, I can see a torch in the boy's backpack. What about yours? Where is the boy, Sarah?
The boy
In my picture, I can see a torch inside the boy's backpack. Okay, let's proceed. In my picture, the sky is yellow. In my picture, the sky is yellow. The sky is yellow.
but picture but in my picture sky is blue.
In my picture,
In my picture
in
sky is blue.
okay, in my picture, the spider is below the tiger.
But in my picture sky is
In my picture, the spider is below the tiger.
but in my picture the sky is
In my picture, the door of the tent is open. In my picture, the door of the tent is open.
but in my picture the open the tent.
In my picture, the door of the tent is open. What about in your picture, Sarah? Here it is open. What about yours?
In my picture it closed the tent.
In my picture, there are two stones around the fire. In my picture, there are two stones around the fire. The fire, around the fire. There are two stones around the fire. What about yours, Sarah? Okay, let's proceed to the second part of the story, which is an information exchange. At the back of that picture, yes. Okay. Now Harry, this is Harry, and Helen have new books to read. Now I don't know anything about Harry's new book, but you do, so I'm going to ask you questions, okay? What is the name of Harry's new book?
The name is Slow Man.
Where did he buy it?
He buy it bookshop.
When did he buy it?
He buy it yesterday.
How many pages has it got?
There are 114 pages.
Is it funny or sad?
He is sad.
Now, you don't know anything about Helen's new book, but I do, so you're going to ask me questions. Ask me questions. Here.
What name is book he ran?
It's called The Circus Clown.
We were by
Again?
where by book
She bought it at the supermarket.
when her buy book.
She bought it on Saturday.
How many pages in the book?
There are 200 pages. Next. The last one, Sarah. What is this? You asked this one. Okay, let's proceed to the next one, which is a picture story. Okay, this picture story is entitled Mom and the Fruit Salad. Okay, this is Ben and Mom. Now, Ben's mom wants to make fruit salad. So she bought a lot of fruit in the market. And now they are going home. Now you tell the rest of the story by looking at pictures 2, 3, 4, and 5. What is happening here in picture 2?
Picture 2 is Ben and Mom.
What happened to the fruit in picture 2? What happened to the fruit? Sarah.
His food.
What happened to the fruit? What about in picture 3? What about in picture 3?
Picture 3
What are they doing?
is holding food.
In picture 4, what are they doing?
They give food to Ben and Mom.
And in picture 5? Picture 5, what are they doing in picture 5?
They eat food.
Okay, they eat the fruit salad. Now let's talk about your town. Where do you live, Sarah?
I live in Hải Dương.
And how do you go to school? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? Do you go to school by bike, by bus, by car? How do you go to school?
I work on food.
Hmm?
I work on food.
You're walking to school. Okay. Now, what is your favorite place in your town? What is your favorite place in your town? Do you like going to the park, to the library, to the supermarket? What is your favorite place in your town?
Vườn.
Huh? What's your favorite? Okay, let's proceed. Where do you go shopping? Where do you go shopping? Where? Where do you go shopping?
I go shopping
Where? Where do you go shopping? Where? Do you know? Do you understand what is where? Where, Lazi?
quê ở đâu.
Where do you go shopping? Shopping, Lazi.
Mua sắm.
Where do you go shopping? So you understand. Where do you go shopping, Sarah?
I go shopping is bookshop.
At the bookshop. Okay. And tell me, what do you do at the weekend? What do you do at the weekend in your town? What do you do? Hurry up, we don't have time. What do you do? At the weekend, what do you do? Weekend. Do you know what is weekend? Weekend, Lazi.
Cuối tuần.
What do you do at the weekend?
I watching TV.
You watch TV and
play game.
okay, and play game. Thank you. That's all, Sarah. Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay.